railway recruitment boards kod application na banta kumban riu hajar arspa like pratli post like paka central employment kaba I number R/2025 tarik kadu kadai hinyau tarik berapa acara san kata deka tarik batmai tengi yang ni post technician grade 1 signal kadai level 5 technician grade 3 level 2 kajisi ta technician grade 1 signal kadai arp kendajar arspa bat nakabanta technician grade 3 kadai kat kendajar kendai spa kadai kidai di shalpi dan mensiapat malumala sepangkan advertisement total post bar khat kidon kumban riu hajar arspa lai pratali da khain langi gitu ki artali post technician grade 1 but technician grade 3 in sabuk ka advertisement hapo description ba penjok page company dengan siapa malumala sepangkan iki post kanos nam kipan tanang ta kano kajing siu pati waipat siapa tentang kini standard of medical fitness kabatain to A3 B1 B2 but C1 badai sepang khamat bat sepang gitu ki badai khamat dan bur ki batai sepang ki medical fitness terang nationality and citizenship terang ngene age limit nam ta technician grade 1 signal kadai khat prah do life license na ka benta ka post technician grade 3 pat khat prah do life post nam nang ta kidan gitu ki age relaxation SC/ST sansnam OBC non creamy layer san licenam bat kiwai pat gitu ki relaxation kidan kejang ki relaxation ang ta kito berat lagi post tinggal tho ang ni age group kat prado life license na benta grade 1 kat prado post nam ta grade 3 ta ketu kisnam khakil ai tarek namun taka educational qualification ginambo ginapan ira kan dia tapi la ban sulai pagi kata annexure kaba link baka advertisement link kabangin sabu apa description taka jing si ore san spa na mataki kiwai ke candidates dan namun taki ki SCST kap arspa san pau tekenan sa refund jaga examination fee na benta kito kiba 1 lakh ya ka CBT computer based tests tikiran sang lagi vertical reservation kini ro philaban pulehi yang bakal link ke bang sabu job advertisement ke bang sabu apa description the horizontal of reservation reservation nam taki ex-serviceman nam taki persons with benchmark disabilities kidan kena ke recruitment process kidan kembali lightly ke step kemudian kau dari computer based test keba ada document verification but kebala ke dari medical examination dan lagi jang ke jang syllabus nam taka technician grade 1 signal but nam taka technician grade 3 kau ne nam ta technician grade 1 signal total duration of examination kadai khandai 4 minute nata total questions kadai sispa kan saran negative marking 1/3 of each wrong answer. The normalization of marks will be done for CBT, health, and multiple shifts. Maka sadan bun ki shift fair dan sadan ka normalization of marks. Dan untuk lebatais panggil minimum percentage of marks eligibility in various communities. UR 40%, EWS 40%, OBC 30%, SC 30%, ST 25%. The marks code and CVT shall be used for shortlisting candidates for further stages of this recruitment process. And tax syllabus for CVT comes the basis of technician grade 1 signal itu gede syllabus. Sepang nakabentak post technician grade 1 signal general awareness, general intelligence and reasoning, basics of computers and applications, mathematics, basic science and engineering. Tekniki syllabus. Kinediki subject wise breakup of the questions but ki marks nam taka technician grade 1 signal. Kita kan not leak questions kan wanam taki nakitu ki syllabus pair lapan i but kan tali but kan no marks. Tanta pattern syllabus na ka technician grade 3 pat kanero kadai kandai 4 minutes but total questions so kandai sispa kasadan negative marking 1/3 marks nam tagi wrong answer kan sedang kan normalization of marks was nama taki computer based test by health haki multiple shifts tikinon unique syllabus berapa ni hang ni nakabentuk ka technician grade 3 di mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, general science, general awareness. Tak itu kita ki subject wise break up of the questions and marks nam taka technician grade 3. Terhadap kena ka computer based test kasadan ka document verification nang ta kasadan saka medical examination. Tangkinahi kublai shibun.